However, I propose to abolish the concept of enhanced reservation fee with a view to simplify the fee structure, having already discontinued development charge in January this year. Ma'am, my predecessor had mentioned the need for setting up of an independent rail tariff authority while presenting the budget for 2012-13. A proposal in this regard has been formulated and is at an interministerial consultation stage. In 2010-11 and 2011-12, railways completed 709 kilometers and 727 kilometers respectively of new lines. However, during 12-13, emphasis was laid on capacity enhancement works like doubling, traffic facilities, etc. The target of 700 kilometers of new lines in the current year had to be scaled down to 470 kilometers due to inadequate resources. The sections which have either been completed or are planned to be completed during 2012-13 are listed at Annexure 1. The target of 800 kilometers of gauge conversion fixed for 2012-13 has also been scaled down to 575 kilometers. The sections which have either been completed or are slated to be completed during 12-13 are listed at Annexure 2. I am happy to report that the target of 700 kilometers of doubling will be marginally exceeded during 2012-13. Sections which have either been completed or are scheduled for completion during 2012-13 are listed at Annexure 3. Railways will complete electrification of 1,200 kilometers this year. The sections which have been completed or are likely to be completed in 2012-13 are listed at Annexure 4. Metropolitan Transport Project. Construction of metro system in Kolkata from Damdam to Noapara is scheduled to be completed by March 2013. The construction of East-West Corridor in Kolkata, which is underway, will be taken forward. Works on the Mumbai Urban Transport Project Phase 2, announced in the last budget, are also progressing satisfactorily. I am happy to inform the August House that the first AC electrical multiple unit EMU rake will be introduced in Mumbai on Mumbai suburban network in 2013-14. In order to meet the growing demand, 72 additional services in Mumbai and 18 in Kolkata are being introduced. Besides, rake length is being increased from 9 cars to 12 cars for 80 services in Kolkata and 30 services in Chennai. Targets for 2013-14. A target to complete 500 kilometers of new lines has been set for 13-14. A list of